Hello guys, release more on ZTE Blade V40S. This 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory version. Okay. Look complementation. In complementation we have on this protected film, documentary, and on this we have quick charge 22 watt and Type-C cable. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera. On the front side display almost 6.7 inch full HD display AMOLED matrix. Okay. Okay. On this side power key. On this side volume buttons. On this side power button. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Turn on device. We have open settings and look Android version. About phone. We have Android 12. Okay. Look and to benchmark score. We have CPU Tiger T680 octa-core processor 6+2 cores and Mali G52 this GPU. Good results we have for this, and run GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Game works perfect at the mouse graphic level. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.